Nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons are considered the most powerful of all, as they harness the immense energy of the atom. These weapons work in two ways. The first is nuclear fission, where a heavy atom such as uranium is split to release a massive amount of energy. This is what happened in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombs. The second is nuclear fusion, which combines light atoms such as hydrogen, producing a reaction millions of times stronger. The effects of these weapons on humans and the environment are extremely destructive, including the immediate blast wave and intense heat that vaporizes everything, in addition to deadly radiation. Today, only 9 countries possess these weapons. Chemical weapons. If nuclear weapons represent raw power, chemical weapons are the hidden threat on the battlefield. They are toxic substances, either in the form of gases or liquids, designed to harm or kill. A prime example is sarin gas, which paralyzes the nervous system and causes rapid death. However, these weapons depend heavily on weather and wind conditions, which may blow the gas back toward those who deployed it. Protection is possible with the use of gas masks. Biological weapons. Biological weapons are somewhat different, as they use disease-causing organisms such as bacteria or viruses to infect humans or animals. They are often called the silent epidemic, since they are colorless and odorless, making them hard to detect until symptoms appear. They typically spread through aerosols or by contaminating water and food supplies, causing large-scale outbreaks that can collapse healthcare systems, society, and the economy. They are sometimes referred to as the poor man's bomb, because they are relatively inexpensive compared to nuclear weapons. Cyber weapons. With the advent of the digital age, cyber weapons have emerged, malicious software programs designed to steal data or disrupt systems. These weapons do not kill directly, but they can cause destruction equal to conventional warfare by disabling critical infrastructure such as power grids, hospitals, and transportation systems. One of the most famous examples is the Stuxnet worm, launched in 2010 to sabotage Iran's nuclear centrifuges, causing significant physical damage. Radiological weapons. Radiological weapons, also known as dirty bombs, are conventional explosives laced with radioactive material. When detonated, they disperse radioactive substances, contaminating the area. The goal is not direct killing but spreading fear and forcing mass evacuations. A dirty bomb can render an area unusable for years, requiring extremely costly cleanup operations. Any country could potentially acquire the radioactive materials needed to build one from hospitals or industrial facilities. Electromagnetic weapons. Electromagnetic weapons release powerful bursts of electromagnetic energy to disable electronic. These weapons do not cause explosions or direct destruction of buildings, but they can paralyze entire infrastructures, including power grids, communication systems, and all electronic devices in the targeted nation.